Hello, car friends. Every recommendation in this video has been confirmed by professionals at the shop, so relax. Your problem has a solution. If you're ever driving your Toyota Prius and suddenly see the message, check PCS system, the first thing you think is, oh no, the safety system is broken and this is going to cost me a fortune. Take a deep breath. Stay calm. In most cases, your car isn't dead or trying to mess with you. It's just letting you know that something isn't working as it should. Basically, the PCS, that system that helps you brake or avoid collisions, detected that something isn't right and decided to shut down for safety. That's why sometimes you notice the braking assistance or adaptive cruise control acting weird just before the warning appears. The most common cause, according to mechanics and owners on forums, is very simple: dirty or blocked sensors. Mud, dust, water, insects, snow, or even a thin layer of grime on the front radar or camera can confuse the system. And even if the emblem or windshield looks clean to you, the sensors might be unhappy. That's why many mechanics at this shop solve the problem simply by carefully cleaning the camera and radar, and the message disappears like magic. If you've already cleaned everything and the message persists, the next suspect is the car battery or voltage. Many owners report that this warning appeared right after a low, discharged, or recently replaced battery. Prius electronics are delicate. If there's no stable voltage, the PCS gets nervous and triggers the warning. Sometimes turning the car off for a few minutes and restarting it helps reset everything. Now, if neither cleaning nor restarting helps, there might be a misaligned or loose sensor. This often happens after a minor bump while parking, scraping a curb, or a frontal impact. The sensor is still there but no longer points correctly, so the system gets confused and says, "I don't trust this reading." In these cases, mechanics recommend a professional recalibration, which returns the sensors to the perfect angle without replacing any expensive parts. If after all this the message still appears, then we enter more serious territory: internal failures in electronic modules or faulty wiring. Some mechanics found that a loose connector, moisture in the wiring, or a failing PCS module was the root cause. In these cases, a diagnostic with an advanced Toyota scanner is almost mandatory because it tells you exactly which component is triggering the alert. One detail that few people know: sometimes the message appears due to environmental conditions. Heavy rain, fog, or extreme cold can make the system fussy and trigger the warning just to protect itself. After driving a bit or letting the sensors dry, the message may disappear on its own.